welcome you in our today's class. Today we are going to learn the topic nouns to countable and uncountable. So from your grammar tree book, you will open page number 4. On page number 4, the topic is countable and uncountable noun. First I will define what are the countable nouns. Student, you can see the definition over here written of countable nouns. Nouns that are the name of things, people, which can be counted are known as countable nouns. What are countable nouns? The nouns that are the names of things, people, which can be counted are known as countable nouns. What are the examples of the countable nouns? Look at the board. Here are some of the examples of countable nouns. Like book. Book is a countable noun. How it is a countable noun? Because we can form the plural of this. Like book, the plural of book will be books. So book is a countable noun. We can count it, that's why it is a countable noun. Ball. You can see the balls are here. These balls we can count. So these are also countable. These are also countable. Next one is keys. You can see the keys. If it's singular, we will call it key. And if it's plural, we will call it keys. So keys or keys are countable nouns. All these are countable nouns. Book, ball and keys. Can you give me any other example of countable nouns? Yes? The nouns that can be counted, what are the other examples? Like pencil into pencils, and notebook into notebooks. So these are countable nouns. Now I will describe it in more detail. The first one is singular and plural forms. The countable nouns both have singular and plural forms. How? Like book. See the example? Garden into gardens. It means that countable nouns have singular and plural form. Garden is a singular and gardens is plural. Next is can use definite number with the countable nouns. What are definite numbers, students? See. Two books. So you can see that book is a countable noun and we can use a definite number 2 with the countable nouns. The next one can use the articles a or an. What are the articles? A and an. How can we use the articles with countable nouns? Like you can see in the example on the board, a book. So we have used an article a along with book. So what are the countable nouns? All those nouns that can be counted are known as countable nouns. Like here are more examples of countable nouns. Boy, table, cup. And these can be changed into plural form as well. Boy into boys, table into tables, cup into cups. Now the next type of noun is uncountable nouns. Can anyone tell me what are uncountable nouns? Yes, look at the definition. Nouns that are the name of things, people, which cannot be counted are known as uncountable nouns. Okay, these things, the name of these things we cannot count. So these are uncountable. These are uncountable because we cannot count them. Like in the example water, sugar, you can see another example of paint. Can we count them? No. That's why these nouns are uncountable nouns. What are uncountable nouns? Nouns that cannot be counted are known as uncountable. I will explain it more. Now I will explain it in more detail. Look at the first one. Cannot use definite number with uncountable noun. We cannot use a definite number with uncountable noun. Like we cannot say to furniture. So we cannot use a definite number with an uncountable noun. The next one, cannot use articles a or an. How we cannot use? Like a sugar. It will be considered as a wrong because we cannot use an article with the uncountable nouns. Now in the third one, no, much, all. These are the words that are used with uncountable nouns. These are the words that are used with uncountable nouns. On page number 6 of your book, here is an exercise, exercise B. State whether the underlined nouns are countable or uncountable. First one I am going to do for you. The doctor has asked Hale to keep away from both salt and sugar. You will underline the nouns that are countable and uncountable. Doctor is countable. Salt and sugar are uncountable. So you will do first 10 questions of this exercise by yourself. Allah Hafiz students, see you in the next class.